Project of the day. I have a 04 Yamaha Raptor 350. I'm having a lot of carb issues with it. I'm the one that's done all the work on it recently, well, over the last few years, and which is probably why I'm having issues. So, diving back in, done a little research, going to try a few things to see if we can't get it running right. I haven't been out on it in a few years with a good ride because I've screwed it up continuously. So, hopefully, this time around I'll get it right. Here we go. Okay, so at this point, I've got kind of torn down. I got the carburetor out. Turns out I've got some stripped head screws. If I can get this to focus a little bit. Right there. That one's stripped, so I'm going to have to figure it out. I think I'm just going to get my Dremel, cut a little line in there, and just use a flat head, and then replace it. But basically just got to figure that out now. Haha! I got it! Had to do a little bit of surgery. It is able to get loosened up and it'll come out. I'm gonna have to replace that thing because I destroyed it. However, victory belongs to me because it's loose. Alright, now let's get the bowl off. She lives! I have it semi-put back together so that if I have to make any more adjustments, it's not terrible to take it all back apart. We'll let her warm up and see how she does. Update's coming in a minute. Alright, so right now it runs not very well, and once I take the choke off it kind of dies. Working on doing some adjustments to the air fuel screw. I think I have it at 1 3/4 turns right now. I see arguments about it going 1.5 to 2. Let me pull it back off and try it at full 2. See what happens. Alright, well that didn't do it. I might need to back it off. Maybe gone too far. So I'm going to try 1.5, but I need to be done for tonight. And I'll come back tomorrow. Go back to 1.5, see if 1.5 turns is better. And then I'll do a little more research tonight as well, so that way we can make sure it's just dialed in. Alright? Thanks for sticking with me. We'll be back in a minute. Why don't we snap to it? Back at it. So after the other night being unsuccessful of trying to get this thing running right, playing with the carburetor, I thought, what the hell? Might as well just rebuild the carburetor. So I got a rebuild kit. It came in yesterday. I'm going to pull the carb off and just rebuild it and hope I can get it right. So why don't you come with me on this process? Could be fun. Might be disaster. Somewhere in between. Alright, I got it off. No big trick, just, you know, I think it's pretty easy. If you need some guidance on how to do that, there's plenty of videos that how to tell you how to get the throttle cable out of here. Just basically a little clip. Hooks onto the cable. I don't know if I can get this to focus. And pull that off, pull the cable out, unthread it from here, and then it just comes off. No big deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling it apart. I have the rebuild kit. I've never done a rebuild kit before, so I don't know that I'm the guy that should be telling you how to do it, but I'll let you watch. And again, not particularly sure that I'm going to be doing it right, but I figure start from 0 and go from there. Alright, I've got it all back together. I'll be honest, I'm not completely confident that it's right. Lots of hope, lots of prayers, crossed fingers maybe. So I'm going to start working on putting it back on, and we'll give it a test run. Success! Better than I can get it the other day. What's that?
Fill it and see if it fires back up.
Good idea. Oh, wrong one.
Starter works.
Nice. Yay!
Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds much better. Warm up, run out the bowl.